am going on a trip for 10 days and all I'm taking is this small suitcase, the kind that would fit in the overhead storage, and this smallish backpack. I'm going to show you how I will pack that up. For this trip, for all the clothes that I'm bringing, I decided to stick to a color palette to make it easier for all of the pieces to go together. When I'm preparing for a trip, I'll try out all the outfits I'm bringing and make sure that each piece can go with multiple things, but I don't really have time for that this time, so sticking to one main color scheme will help with that. Like reddish, pinky tones, yellow, orange, and black. Yeah, I'm going to go camping with my family in Wisconsin and then staying home with my parents in Illinois. First, when packing a bag, you want to put your shoes around the perimeter as the first thing. And for this trip, I'm bringing these Capezio T-straps that I got at the Arc Thrift, and I had them resold and the elastic replaced, and they look so beautiful. They're one of my favorite pairs of shoes, and so this will be like my dress pair of shoes for any dressier things when I'm gonna be home. I'm going to my friend's bridal shower. My Doc Martens, because they just go with everything and I like wearing them. And then since we're gonna be by the beach, I have to bring some sandals to wear to the beach. On the flight there, I will be wearing my sneakers and the jeans that I want to bring to camp in, and then a t-shirt. So now that the shoes are in there, any like small shirts should be folded in half and rolled up and put in the middle of the shoes. I have a lot of tank tops here. They'll be really versatile, and I think it's still going to be pretty hot during the day. Oh, I just made that inside out. I have my parents to thank for learning I didn't do that very well, for learning how to pack efficiently. When we traveled abroad when I was in high school, my mom studied up on the best, my mom or my dad, I can't remember who, studied up on the best way to pack and make use of a lot of space. Okay, so those t-shirts are in there. I'm going to put my swimsuits in as well. I'm bringing 2 swimsuits. This one was a hand-me-down from a friend. This is by the brand, let me double check on the name, but it is a sustainable, ethically made swimsuit company. I'm actually thinking I'm going to bring another pair of shoes instead of my Doc Martens because they are so big and they take up a lot of space. And the shoes that I'm thinking I'm going to wear tonight, but they are just kind of an alternative to my Docs. I'll go grab them. They're these ones, so similar kind of vibe, being that they're black kind of booty things, but a lot more compact because they have a soft top that can flatten down. But I'm going to wear these out tonight, so I'll pack them when I get home. One thing that I always forget to bring on trips is like comfy things to wear, especially if you're going somewhere that's like not your hometown. Having something comfy to put on at night, I just always forget to bring, but not this time. So I'm bringing some leggings, and I'm actually going to put these where I've packed like my underwear and socks. And some PJs. Okay, now onto pants. So if I wasn't wearing the jeans that I'm going to be bringing, I would lay them in the suitcase like this, with the pant leg coming out and the top part down in there up to the end, but I'm going to wear those. So I will do it with the other pair of pants I'm bringing. I got these at Buffalo Exchange. They are brand new. They still have the original tag on them, and I haven't worn them yet, so I want to bring them on the trip, so I make sure I wear them. Laying them down like that. And then I have a pencil skirt. So I'm alternating ways. So if I was bringing the jeans, I would lay them like this. Okay. So pencil skirt like that. And then I'm going to put like sweaters, long sleeve shirts, anything that I couldn't roll up small or didn't want to roll up if it's like a nicer thing, in the middle here. And I'm just going to put my shorts there as well. I'm bringing 2 pairs of cutoffs. should have rolled this t-shirt up, so I'm gonna do that. Get out of here, ducks. Not enough room for you. And then, after you've done that, you fold the pants over the top. Like so. I have a lot of dresses I'm bringing for this trip, which I wouldn't usually recommend just because they are like a one-time thing, a one outfit thing, and maybe a little less versatile, even though they are versatile because you can just throw them on. But I have some dresses I didn't get to wear as much as I would have liked to this summer, so I'm going to bring them. But I'm hoping to do laundry because I will be staying with my parents, actually. I'm actually gonna do the same thing alternating that I did with the pants. Maybe I don't actually want to bring certain things, so I'm gonna, I think, leave this dress here and just continue my alternation. I love this dress. This is another thrifted find, so hoping to wear it on home. Because it's gonna be kind of cold at night when we're camping, I'm bringing a kind of long sleeve, a black long sleeve sweatery type thing, a flannel, 2 sweatshirts, because if you sweat in something, it will just make you cold at night, so you definitely want to have alternatives. I just cut, these were like jeans that were really unflattering on me, but the butt always looked really good, and I just made them into cutoffs, and I wish I had done it sooner. Back with the shoes and the like little tops, belts should have gone on that layer technically, so I'm just gonna tuck this belt in. Okay, that is that packed. Like I said, I'm gonna wear one outfit on the plane. I'm gonna wear this denim jacket over what I'm wearing on the plane because this will be my jacket while I'm there. I saved these little travel size containers and I refilled them with my conditioner and soap that I'm using right now, so reuse these plastic containers instead of throwing them out. And I have all of my makeup in this see-through zipped bag so that going through security they'll be chill with it. And I always put my makeup in my carry-on because I like to have it ready to go when I arrive in the place, and I can just freshen up in the bathroom. And that is that packed. It'll fit really nicely. Gonna close this up. That is my travel bag packed. Packing light for this 10-day trip, making sure that everything I'm bringing goes with everything else that I'm bringing. And yeah, I'm excited to go hang out with my family. Bye!